we see different kinds of animals around us. Some animals live on land, some live in water, and some in trees. Animals like elephant, horse, cow, bear, and dog live on land. Water animals. Animals like fish, turtle, and octopus live in water. Tree animals. Animals like bat and monkey live in trees. Birds. Some animals have feathers and wings. Feathers and wings help them to fly. These animals have 2 legs. They are called birds. Sparrow, pigeon, crow, eagle, and owl are birds. Insects. Insects are small animals. They have 6 legs. Some insects like mosquitoes and butterflies can fly.